Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I woke up and thought about making a review about my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And after using it for about 6 months, I think now is the time to give you a detailed review about how this phone functioned. Was it worth the price of buying it? And all kind of that stuff. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So as you see, or as you know, I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max for the past 6 months. I made even an unboxing video about it in the past. And I should say it's a great phone. Obviously, everyone on YouTube and on the internet is just baffled about how good this phone is. And Apple made for themselves very hard to go and make an even better phone when they bring out the iPhone 13. That's definitely something I do believe. They need to do something incredible to bring a even better phone than this one, because this one just trumps every other phone on the market. I know there are some Samsung lovers and other phone lovers, and I do respect those. But I'm more of the iOS guy, and I've had the iPhone 5 like 6 years ago, and or even the iPhone 4S like 7 years ago, and ever since I've just used the iPhone. I never used any other phone than the iPhone, and it felt great. I didn't had any problem with just sticking with the iOS ecosystem. And yeah, but let's go back to the main subject of this video, which is the iPhone 13. And I should say this iPhone is blast fast. It has this A14 Bionic chip, and you definitely feel that. You feel the powerness, you feel the power, you feel the speed. I even played heavy games on this phone, and it was like it didn't require any energy. Even the battery lasted for an even longer time than my previous models while I was gaming, and that was something that shocked me, really. I never thought that Apple was even remotely close to make an iPhone this strong as this one. With all the things it has, I've used this camera to film the majority of the videos I've posted on this YouTube channel. And as you saw, I think you even knew that all of those videos are just made with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They looked, the 4K display was just crisp and clear. It was like I was using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, but in fact I was just using this bad boy. I haven't had the chance to go out there and film things for you in the I don't know, in the nature of this, in the nature of Holland. I haven't the chance to do that, but I'll definitely do one day in the near future, just to show you guys how crisp and clear this camera is. Furthermore, I haven't had any time that this iPhone failed on me. Even when the battery is on just 5%, I could use the navigation, I could call and even listen to my favorite podcast, and I could make it home before the end of the battery. And that's something that I was really glad about, just because you have this much functionality on any phone. It doesn't mean that your battery should suffer from it, and that's definitely something that we see on the iPhone. Yeah, furthermore, I've talked about games, about camera, but it looks like I'm just saying all the great things about this phone and not leaving any rooms for critics. And there are critics, obviously. Every time when Apple releases something new, we need to give it some feedback just to make sure that they bring us an even better product the next time. And I think there is just one thing I can say about making an even better software, or maybe a better bionic chip, which is sometimes when I just messing around with my phone, some of those widgets appear to just vanish, to say it right. So they just vanish from one side, and I just have to turn my phone down and bring it back, and then that widget come back. But other than that, I haven't had anything. Great those just look how great and seamlessly those apps work. It's just crazy how fast this phone is. The display is also good. I read some things about the sharpness of these edges, because it transitioned from a more rounded edge into this sharp edge, and people said that after using your phone for a while, it will dig up in your palms. I haven't had any problem with that, and in reality, most of us will use this iPhone with a case which has a round edge anyway. I don't think you should think about that even. Furthermore, how it connects to other devices like the AirPods Pro. As you see, in just a matter of seconds, I'll need to turn my Bluetooth on to have it work. And I just have to open my AirPods, and just like that, it connects. Both devices connect with each other in just a second. That's how blastly fast this thing is. I just have to close it, and it knows that my AirPods are not in need anymore. So there's that. Should you wait for iPhone 13 or just go and buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max? Honestly, this video, that's a question that's beyond the scope of this video. I think I just need to make a more in-depth research to tell you guys what to do. We know that Apple may transition from removing this charger port, which may result in just using the magnetic, which may result in just using the MagSafe charger to charge any iPhone in the future. There will be some people who will be very angry about that, because we are used to this charger port, so we just want to like in the old days, or not even in the old days, it's just now. Like now, we just want to go and penetrate this thing with our cable and charge our iPhone just like that. But I think that will be the biggest difference when it comes to releasing the iPhone 13. They may get rid of this port and make it a portless iPhone. The way you charge it, obviously, just with the MagSafe charger, and that's actually it. But then again, this video isn't that detailed, or I haven't made a detailed research to give you guys a good advice about whether to wait for iPhone 13 or just go ahead and buy the 12 Pro Max, or even buy the 11 Pro Max. That iPhone is also one of the greatest iPhone Apple has ever made. And if you are on a budget, you don't have to go and spend all your money on this device in here. I'm very glad that I had enough money to spare to buy this iPhone. But if I didn't have that kind of money, I would never go and spend that much money on this phone, just because the speed, because I'm for sure that the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is much cheaper by now than this iPhone, will have the speed of that iPhone will be the exact same as this one. You will not notice any difference between those iPhones But hey, then again, this video wasn't about comparing both devices. It's just me telling you about my experience in the past 6 months on this iPhone. And I hope you enjoyed that. And that's actually it on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. As always, make sure to like this video. That helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel because you're awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.